In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin a document on the most recent list in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so ideally most recent shows the latest documents that you have worked on. What about if you have a document that you want to remain on top? The best thing to do is to go ahead and pin it. To do this is pretty simple. Just go ahead and open any Word document and then head to File. Now under File, you should see we have here recent documents that are available on your list. Now to pin any document or to add to your favorite, go ahead and find the document. For instance, I wish to pin this to my favorite. So hover over it until the end and you should see we have this option where you can now add this to your favorite. By clicking on this tab, now your document will be added to your favorite document in Microsoft Word document. To find the starred document, you should see it is here. In fact, it has been pinned on top of the list, and you should also be able to find it under favorite. If you click on favorite, here you'll find all the files that you added to your favorite list or all the documents that you pinned. So that's how you can pin a document or add a document to your favorite in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.